I'm Brian Harris. I'm the president of Jupiter Marine. Jupiter's been in business for 32 years and under the ownership of Carl and Tanya Herndon and their family for over 20 of those years. We're a small boutique size company, meaning we build less than 100 boats a year.
Want to know the first sign that your Jupiter isn't some cookie-cutter design rushed off an assembly line? You won't see a lot of them. We build fewer than 100 per year, truly crafted for the individual and made for those who aren't satisfied with an off-the-shelf product. Each one is tailored to be one of a kind, and that takes time. Unlike typical boat builders, we spend a significant portion of the production process customizing each vessel with personalized touches to create a perfect fit for the owner. We hold our luxury boats to remarkably high standards, and that means we're not happy until you are.